Welcome back to the channel Storm Rider everyone. Today, we've got something truly exciting to show you, the 2025 Tiffin Allegro. If you're in the market for a luxury motorhome with incredible attention to detail, you're going to love this one. Tiffin has been known for its craftsmanship, and this model is no exception. Let's dive into what makes the Allegro stand out and why it could be your next home on wheels. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Allegro has a sleek, modern design with a fully painted exterior that's bound to turn heads wherever you go. The high-quality paint job features vibrant, bold colors and a beautiful finish that's sure to hold up over time. Tiffin's attention to detail is visible in every corner, from the stylish full-body paint to the meticulously designed windows and awnings. When you step inside, you're greeted by a spacious, luxury interior that's as comfortable as it is functional. The living area boasts premium furnishings, with plush seating options like a soft leather sofa and reclining chairs that are perfect for relaxing after a long day of driving. The large panoramic windows give you stunning views while letting in plenty of natural light, creating an open and airy feel. The kitchen is a chef's dream with high-end appliances, including a residential refrigerator, a microwave, and a 3-burner stove. Tiffin doesn't skimp on counter space either, offering a spacious kitchen island that makes meal prep a breeze. Whether you're cooking a simple breakfast or a full dinner, you'll have everything you need within arm's reach. Now, let's talk about the bedroom. The 2025 Allegro offers a king-sized bed, which is perfect for a good night's rest after an adventurous day. The bed is surrounded by ample storage options, from spacious closets to drawers, so you can easily store your clothes and gear. Plus, the bathroom features a large shower, plenty of counter space, and high-quality fixtures that make this bathroom feel more like a spa. For those of you who love to entertain, the Allegro is designed with that in mind. The cockpit area has plush seats, and the dash is equipped with an intuitive touchscreen display. The dashboard is user-friendly, with everything you need to control the RV's systems right at your fingertips. Plus, with Tiffin's cutting-edge technology, driving this motorhome is incredibly smooth and easy. If you're into tech, the 2025 Allegro has you covered there too. It's equipped with the latest smart RV technology, including an advanced touchscreen system for controlling everything from lighting to climate. You can also monitor your tank levels, battery status, and even the level of your RV, all with a simple tap. Let's not forget about the storage. This motorhome offers tons of space, both inside and out. The exterior compartments are perfect for storing all your gear, from outdoor chairs to bikes or even a grill. Inside, there's room for everything you need, from your clothes to your camping gear, making it the perfect home for both short trips and long vacations. On the road, the Allegro provides a smooth, quiet ride thanks to its powerful engine and advanced suspension system. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking winding roads through scenic areas, you can be sure that your ride will be comfortable and stable. In terms of safety, the Allegro is equipped with all the latest features, including advanced driver assistance systems, a rear-view camera, and side cameras to help you park and navigate tight spaces with ease. Tiffin has always been committed to safety, and this model is no exception. So, whether you're looking to hit the open road for a weekend getaway or take a cross-country road trip, the 2025 Tiffin Allegro is the perfect companion for your journey. With its luxurious interior, smooth driving experience, and advanced features, it's a true home on wheels. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more RV reviews and travel tips. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Tiffin Allegro and if you'd love to take it on your next adventure. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.